Using the right mulch alternatives after construction reduces termite pressure on treated structures quickly and effectively. Choose rubber mulch, gravel, crushed stone, or shredded non-wood mulches such as cocoa hull alternatives made from coconut shell when replacing traditional wood mulch near a finished building. Lay any loose material in a uniform layer no thicker than 2 inches to reduce moisture retention and limit subterranean access. Install a 3 to 6 inch gap between the edge of the foundation and any mulch or loose material, so there is a clear inspection zone and reduced conduit for termites. Use landscape fabric beneath gravel or stone to inhibit weed growth, while ensuring the fabric is open enough to allow water drainage rather than trapping moisture against the foundation. For rubber mulch, pick products with ultraviolet stabilizers and drain underlayment to prevent long-term breakdown and puddling. Avoid mixing rubber with wood-based products. Inspect these areas monthly for mud tubes, frass, or live insects, and document findings with date-stamped photos to track changes after treatment. Common mistakes include using a thick layer of any mulch because thick organic layers hold moisture and create a bridge to the foundation. Keep layers thin and refresh only the top quarter inch as needed. Another mistake is allowing mulch to touch the foundation or siding, which creates a hidden pathway for termites. Maintain the 3 to 6 inch clearance and slope grade away from the structure. A third issue is assuming all non-wood options are inert. Some shredded non-wood blends or cocoa products can still attract pests or retain moisture, so choose mineral-based products like gravel or specially formulated rubber and perform regular inspections. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides a community discussion area where we share real-world experiences about post-construction termite treatment choices. We help contractors find jobs by exposing their services to motivated homeowners, and we help homeowners compare alternatives and contractor feedback in our community.